Hey guys, it's JB here. Today we have another saber. This is CJ's 89 Sabers Qui-Gon Deep Groove. It's a very nice, comfortable hilt, for my hands at least, but it's a perfect length. I would probably use this as a dueler, but with this current setup I wouldn't, because the blade depth is not that much with the chassis setup that we went with, and CJ told me he wasn't going to be dueling with the saber, so that's why I went with it, so we get the best amount of sound coming from this thing. So it accepts a 28mm speaker and an 18650. I wanted the longer battery as well, so we went with the 18650. The chassis inside of here is Stefan. I forgot his last name, but I'll include his name in the reveal post. So your recharge port and speaker is down here, and the chassis is split into like 3 sections. So you have your kill key down here. So never like pull this out all the way, because of course you have your wires running through. But yeah, you can just remove your kill key here.
It's the chosen one.
And that was one of the custom boot ups that I made for it that he requested. That's Qui-Gon's death, obviously. This setup has a Nano Biscotti version 4, and it's running a Royal Blue white Tri-Cree LED. And the reason why it's Royal Blue is because he wants a photon blade, so you get a lot of brightness coming off of that. So the fonts in here are Fates, and that's all he wanted.
There's always a bigger fish.
We threw in a couple extras as well. That one is was this one the... Yeah, this one was the Empire, I mean not the Empire, the Attack of the Clones Geonosis Battle font. I forgot the name of that one, but I'll include everything, of course. I know I have people that correct me in the comments anyway, so
Negotiations will be short.
just look there. I love the V4's sensitivity. It's art. You don't have to change anything on these. They're so finely tuned. So yeah, we'll throw a blade in here.
He is the chosen one. Balance.
It's a nice blade plug that I came with. And I got the photon blade from Vader's Vault, of course. If you guys want a photon blade, hit them up. So you get really bright green from these when you have it with the royal blue and blue LED, in my opinion. So there you go. I'll actually turn off the lights so you guys can see that too. So here it is with the lights off. You guys are seeing the true color of it right now. Let me focus on the outside of that. My phone doesn't want to. There you go. And here's your flash on clash. So it's very bright. Alrighty, so CJ, that is your '89 Sabers Qui-Gon. And I forgot to mention, but I did mention in the previous video, Jordan helped out with these. Jordan Leitner. I don't want you guys getting confused with the other one. He helped out with these, so shout out to him for helping us out. Shout out to everyone that's helped out with the whole ordeal. It's been a roller coaster, and I just really haven't, personally, I really haven't been able to recover from it. And I don't want to get into personal dealings, but I mean, there are other factors that play into you know, everything that happened, the events and stuff like that that unfolded, you know, together. So I had a lot of people help out with, you know, the business and the page, and just making sure that we're still here. We have a few people, just quick shout outs, Sean Garza, Dale Snyderhan, Carlos Hernandez, Greg McKinnon, just like being like a shoulder there. Jonathan Hoffman, just being a really cool friend. Of course, Christian, that's also a part of RGB Custom Sabers. Jordan Eugene, Shamim, all those guys, you know, Jordan Leitner too. They've just been really cool, and it's nice that we have a community that, you know, a community that's there for each other. And I'm just gonna throw the kill key back in here to show you again. And he also ordered a charger from me as well, and I'm gonna have those back up in stock. I've had a few people ask me when they're gonna be back in stock. I just got some shells in from my buddy, and I need to pay him for those. But yeah, those will be back in stock. So CJ, I'm gonna be throwing that in with your package when I ship it out. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.